To replace the rear torsion springs on your Matryx snowmobile, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is parked on a flat surface and remove the key. Then, raise the rear of the vehicle so the weight is fully supported while keeping the track on the ground. This will help prevent the rear of the vehicle from falling when the rear suspension fasteners are removed. Next, remove the bolt and locking nut from the rear torque arm mount on each side of the vehicle. Then, raise the rear of the vehicle enough to gain access to the rear torque mounts. Next, loosen the fasteners on the torque arm mount, but do not remove the fasteners. While ensuring the bushing stays in the torque arm mount, remove the mount by using small forceful movements to walk it off. If the torque arm mount is tough to remove, tap on it with a rubber mallet while pulling on the opposite end with your hand. Then, remove the hitch pin and clevis pin from the rear torsion spring guide block. Next, lift upward and outward on the front portion of the rear torsion spring to slowly release the tension. Use care when performing this step. The spring is under heavy tension and may cause injury if the tension is not released properly. Then, pull the rear tension spring out and repeat this process for the opposite side. Next, install the new spring onto the torque arm. Ensure the rear leg of the torsion spring is fully seated into the upper spring guide block. And then, lift the front leg of the spring up and over into the front block. Next, ensure the bushings are still properly positioned in the rear torque arm mount. Then, reinstall the mount and torque the fasteners to specification. Next, reinstall the clevis pin into the spring guide block and secure with the hitch pin. Verify proper installation and repeat this process on the opposite side. Next, lower the rear of the vehicle until the rear suspension mounting holes line up with the rear torque arm mounts. Then, install the previously removed bolt and nut. And torque to specification. Then, repeat the torquing process on the opposite side. Finally, lower the sled completely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.